If you've been telling yourself, I'm not ready to start YouTube, what if I told you, you already are? So in this video, I want to share 5 signs that prove that you're ready to start or restart your YouTube channel today. I've been making videos professionally for over 15 years, and after working on everything from TV commercials to YouTube content, I've realized something important. Being ready to start on YouTube isn't about having expensive camera gear or being an expert video editor. It's something much, much deeper than that. So let's talk about the 5 signs that will prove if you're ready to start creating today. Sign number 1, you have the itch. It's the kind of itch that can't be scratched in no other way. Maybe you've been sitting on ideas that get you really excited, or maybe if you're like me, you have experience and are passionate about a specific topic, and you just want to share that with other people. Now, for me personally, I had 2 itches that needed proverbial scratching. Now first, because I worked as a professional video producer and editor for almost 2 decades, I needed a place where I could create for myself, where I could create without having any bosses or marketing department or any client telling me what and how to create. And second, and almost more importantly, I wanted a way to share my experiences, my skills, my knowledge, whatever I've learned and picked up over the years. I wanted a way to pay that forward. It's just so important for me to be able to do that. Maybe it's because I'm a father, maybe it's because my wife is also a teacher and she rubbed off on me. Pause. What I'm trying to say is that I wanted a way to share what I've learned, to pay it forward, to help others create for themselves. And I found that YouTube is the best place to do both of those. As creatives, I know that perfectionism and imposter syndrome show up just as we get a shred of confidence in ourselves. So the second sign that you're ready to start YouTube is that you're good with being bad. And because I've been making videos professionally for a long time, I had this expectation of myself that whatever I created on YouTube had to be high production value, it had to be cinematic, it had to be perfect. But I had to get over that feeling. True creative freedom is freeing yourself from any expectations, good or bad. So when you're just starting out, you have to be okay with making stuff that might not be as great as you initially envisioned. And you have to realize that making crap is just part of the process. And so that leads me to the next sign. It's funny, as a teenager, I hated school, but now I'm legit excited to learn new things. And there are a lot of things to learn about YouTube. I knew how to film and edit and all that stuff, but I learned that YouTube is more than just a video platform. There are a lot of things that you need to learn, like how to make a clickable title and thumbnail, how to get people to actually watch your content, things like how to monetize and make a living out of doing this. Which, to be honest, I'm still trying to figure out. But the most important thing you need to learn is discovering what videos you truly want to create. What kind of videos will scratch that creative itch? What do you want to talk about? How do you want it to look? And most importantly, why? What is your why? These are questions you need to ask yourself, but you could only find the answers by becoming a student again, by experimenting, by making mistakes and learning from them. But all of this learning will be absolutely useless if you don't see what is probably the most important sign that you're ready. You just do it. You can have the itch, you can have the right mindset, you can learn all the things in the world, and I'm sorry to sound like a TED Talk, but if you don't take action, none of that will matter. That means that you need to create time to create. And I know that's easier said than done. Trust me, I'm a father of 2 young kids. I'm doing this YouTube thing, and I'm still doing some client work here and there. Time feels like a legendary Pokemon. You see it 1 second, and the next second it's gone. A shout out to those who get that reference. But what I'm trying to say is that you need to prioritize this, right? Like you need to make the time, which means that, you might need to sacrifice some things. Okay. A lot of people get caught up in perfectionism and feel overwhelmed with all the steps that are needed to create YouTube videos. And that's why I created 2 things that will help you with your creation process. One is my Notion YouTube planner. I've tried many different templates and they were either too complicated to use or they didn't do what I wanted. And so I made my own. I wanted to make sure that this was easy to use and that it had just the essentials. And so this template will help you organize, plan, and create your content. One of the most important things that I think that I included in there is the script template that I use for all of my videos. So if you want to go pick that up, check out the link in the description below. The second thing is my mentorship program. It is something that I'm working on right now. It is near and dear to my heart. I'm really excited about it, but I'll talk more about it later on in this video. So what's the last sign that you're ready to start your YouTube channel? It's that you're willing to be patient. Because I look at YouTube from a creative point of view, from a creative perspective as an artist, I don't see this as a race, right? Like, it's art. What are we racing against? And when all of these gurus talk about growth, they're usually talking about subscribers or going viral and getting a million bajillion views and whatever. But that's not the growth that I'm talking about. The growth that really matters to me is creative and personal growth. As a video creator for over 15 years, having worked in broadcast television, social media, and now YouTube, it's my mission to help you create the kind of meaningful videos that only you can create. And I found that the best way to do that is to create consistently. And that's one of the things that my mentorship program is all about. In my program, I'll help you create high quality, meaningful videos with direct guidance from me personally. So if that sounds like what you need, check out the link below to sign up for the waitlist. Like I said at the beginning of this video, chances are you're already ready to start on YouTube. And if you've noticed, none of these signs have anything to do with having the best camera gear or being an expert video editor. There are a lot of limiting beliefs that we tell ourselves, myself included, but it's not the hours of writing, of filming, of editing. The real work comes from not getting in our own way.